Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be going over how to send our meeting agendas within your RedTeam Flex database. So as you can see here, we're already on our meeting minutes page within one of our projects here in a RedTeam Flex database. To get here, we've navigated to the projects menu, we've picked out our project, this Haunted Mansion renovation, and we've either come to the home icon and clicked on Meeting Minutes and Agendas, or we've navigated to the Dialog tab and used our menu icon over here to toggle over to our Meeting Minutes page. So however you chose to get here, we can see that we've already got a draft agenda waiting for us. And all we need to do is review that agenda, then commit and send it out. To review a draft agenda, we can go ahead and click this document icon right here, or we can click the tools icon and hit View Agenda. Either one is going to open up the shareable, printable copy of that agenda in a separate browser tab. So we can see here our meeting agenda. We have the general when and where information of the meeting up top, along with the project name and number, and the meeting number, which is ordered sequentially by meeting type. We have the list of invitees. It's going to show their contact information, their name, and their company. You have your general overview notes, any notes that you chose to put in as you built the agenda. And then here is our list of topics or issues that we're planning to discuss. At the bottom, we'd see a separate page for any attachments we chose to include, along with the file name or caption we included, and a hyperlink to that particular file attachment. Now, if we're happy with this draft agenda, then we're ready to go ahead and commit it as a final copy. If we see something that needs to be changed, we have our edit icon over here, this pencil, which will allow us to return to the editing stage and continue picking at the different pieces of the agenda that don't look right to us. Once we know that things look right, we go ahead and click the commit button, and every time we commit an agenda in RedTeam, it's going to ask us if we'd like to send invitations. If you send invitations, we're going to be sending a calendar invite along with a copy of this meeting agenda. If we choose not to send invitations right now, we can always send them later via the tools icon, or we can simply email out this form. So let's take a look at both options. I'm going to go ahead and send out this invitation, and then I'm also going to email this out. So if I choose not to send invitations, I can use the email button to simply choose exactly who I'd like to send that to. Notice we can include a personal message here. Hello, please use the link below to view our upcoming meeting agenda. Right, and I can go ahead and include any personal message that I want and send that out. So 2 ways to send it. Once I've sent it out, I can go ahead and close it here and return to the main meeting minutes page. We can now see that this agenda is in a committed status. And our log here, our transmissions log, will let us know when it was emailed out and when any invitations were sent. Notice if we want to, we can also come to the tools icon and send invitations anytime we'd like. So it does not have to happen when you commit the meeting agenda. So now that we've committed and sent our agendas, our recipients will be receiving those emails with links to view the agenda, and if we sent the invitation, they'll have a calendar link to go ahead and add that invite directly to their personal calendar. Now, once the meeting has taken place, you'll be able to go ahead and transition this agenda into a set of minutes, so be sure to watch our next video for information on how to add minutes to an existing meeting agenda. But for now, that's all we have for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you for choosing RedTeam Flex.